If you're struggling to keep a running backlog of social post ideas, you're not alone. It's easy to get stuck, especially when you want to keep your content fresh and engaging. But with the right system in place, you can quickly and easily store your ideas and pull them up when you need them most. So, let's jump straight into it. The first step to maintaining a running backlog is to always be on the lookout for inspiration. Whether you're scrolling through social media, reading an article, or chatting with a friend, make sure to capture ideas as they come. Keep your phone or a note-taking app handy at all times, so that when something sparks an idea, you can jot it down immediately. If you wait, you might forget it, so make capturing ideas part of your daily routine. Next, organization is key. You don't want to just have a random collection of ideas, you need to make sure it's easy to find what you need. That's where a good software comes in. Using the right tool, you can organize your ideas by themes, topics, or even the platform you want to post them on. The software we'll be using today allows you to store your ideas in specific categories, making it easy to sort through them whenever you need a fresh post. But there's more. Think of your backlog as a place to refine and evolve your ideas. Don't just store them and forget about them. Go back every so often to review and add more details. Maybe you get new inspiration or a trend develops that you want to tie into a post. Add these thoughts into your ideas to keep them current and actionable. This ensures that when it's time to post, you're not scrambling for content. Everything is prepped and ready. Now, you might be wondering, what if I run out of ideas? This is where keeping your backlog dynamic is essential. Look at the analytics of your past posts to identify what worked and what didn't. Use that data to shape new ideas and tweak your content strategy. Not everything will be a hit, but a running backlog allows you to experiment without the pressure of coming up with something completely new every time. A key part of this is consistency. You need to update your backlog regularly. Don't wait for inspiration to come out of nowhere. Set aside time each week to review what you've added, refine your ideas, and add new ones. The more consistent you are, the easier it will be to keep the momentum going. Another important tip is to leverage your team if you have one. Share your backlog with colleagues or collaborators. They can add ideas, offer feedback, and even help organize the content. This helps you get diverse perspectives and keeps your content fresh. If you're using the software that I'm recommending, it also integrates with scheduling tools so that when you're ready to post, your content is organized, planned, and scheduled all in one place. Having everything in a centralized system will save you time and reduce stress, especially when deadlines are looming. Now, as a key takeaway, remember, the goal of keeping a running backlog of social post ideas isn't just about collecting random ideas. It's about creating an organized system that you can trust, so you never run out of content and always have fresh ideas ready to go when you need them. To recap, 1. Always capture ideas as they come, whether on your phone or in a note-taking app. 2. Use software to organize your ideas by themes, topics, or platforms. 3. Regularly refine and add new details to keep ideas fresh. 4. Use analytics to shape new content ideas. 5. Stay consistent with updating your backlog and involve your team. Before I go, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. It's the perfect tool to help you create and maintain your own running backlog of social post ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.